Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the paper size in Google Docs. This is a simple process that lets you choose a different paper size for your document. So let's get started. First, open Google Docs on your computer. Open the document where you want to change the paper size. Next, click File in the top left corner. From the menu, select Page Setup. A new window will appear. Under Paper Size, click the drop-down menu. You'll see a list of different paper sizes you can choose from. Select the paper size you want to use for your document. Once you've made your selection, click OK. The paper size of your Google Docs document will now be updated. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change the paper size in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Docs tips, productivity tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next video.